Joyce, this is crazy.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Medicare.
I'm done. I can't do it.
I know.
I put everything together, but it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, okay?
Oh
Isn't that
gosh.
pretty? Okay, but this isn't, okay? Can we?
Yes.
Why is it so hard? Why?
Oh, yes, I know. Medicare can be a hot mess. It's okay though. Calm down, sit down. Medicare can definitely be a hot mess, but not when you have JP Financial Group Health Services here to help you. We're gonna break it all down. Okay? All right, here we go. Here's the tea on Medicare. So you have Medicare Part A, which is your original Medicare. It covers hospital. You have Medicare Part B, which covers your doctor visits and outpatient. That's part of the original Medicare, right? Then you need to either get a Medicare Advantage or Medicare Supplement to go along with your original Medicare. Medicare Part C, which is Medicare Advantage. That's kind of like the girls trip. It's all combined together where you have the excursions, the travel, the tickets, all combined together. It's the combo plan. Everything is combined together.
Okay.
So it includes your medical, and sometimes it includes your dental, your vision, and your prescription, all combined in one. So that's one way to get complete coverage. The other way is you can do a Medicare supplement or Medigap policy. That's kind of like travel insurance, right? It kind of covers any surprises. So you pay up front to have no surprises on the back end, right? With the Medicare supplement. So those are your two ways that you can get complete coverage.
Okay, now that I get it, Advantage is the one, it's a round trip. All paid, drinks included.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it. It's all combined together.
We can stay on one campus.
Stay on one campus. Exactly.
I love that.
And the supplement is a la carte. So you pay for everything kind of separate. So you have your dental, your vision, prescription plans. You pay for all that separate.
Okay. So it's almost like I'm getting it now. And it takes a minute. You speak woman to woman, so I'm able to pick it up even faster.
Yeah, it takes a minute. And most people, that's why we encourage people to do Medicare reviews right around this time, open enrollment, where you sit down and kind of go through all of your Medicare options to make sure you understand. And that's what JP Financial Group does. We do Medicare reviews for you.
I love it. It's like the ABCs of Medicare.
It's like the ABCs of Medicare. So,
okay. All right.
Now, you're going to have a little quiz. Let's see if you got it.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
Can we play a game, though?
Yes, we
because I
can.
can remember this.
Okay.
Patty cake?
Patty cake. Okay, here we go.
A is for Advantage plans, bundled and neat. B is for the doctor bills, that's no small feat. C is for confusion, that's where we come in. D is for your drugs, don't forget your medicine. And now I know my Medicare ABCs. JP Financial Group can help enroll with ease. Yay! That's fun. And we had fun with that, right? On a serious note though, Medicare is very, very important. And it's especially important this year that everyone pays attention to the Medicare options. The One Big Beautiful Bill has made a lot of changes to healthcare. So JP Financial Group, we're here. We want to make sure that everyone understands what their Medicare options are. So you can get a free Medicare review. You can go to our website, www.jpfinancialgroupllc.com. You can go directly to my calendar. The link is below in the box. Or you can just call me, 704-543-6269 for your free Medicare review. We love it. And guess what, y'all?
Pink is the new color of money.